is filled with mercury, but it doesn't even matter. We're nothing but illusions.
Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you 3 buns that looks just you can actually recreate in 2 minutes or a little less your hairstyles, otherwise you will look too pretty for every day. But if you decide to do this hairstyle for special occasion, pull your hair like I did and you'll look just amazing. Don't forget to tell me in comments down below which of these 3 buns is your favorite, and let's get started.
We want to make a nice parting on the side we like, and then grabbing a hair elastic, we want to tie it like in a low ponytail, but make sure to leave some hair out to frame your face and also on your crown as well. So on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway, just a little bit like I'm showing, stretch it a bit. Then you want to loose your crown again and your side sections to make it effortless and super beautiful looking. Then you want to grab your ends and you want to tease a little bit inside like I'm showing. You want to spread all your hair like I'm showing and tie your ends underneath using a clear elastic. Now you want to grab the ends and pull it a little bit and then tuck it into the first elastic like I'm showing to secure it. Now you want to spread better your hair and pin it from the sides, and if you have hair sticking out like I do, make sure to pin it in place and use some hairspray. And you're done! For the next hairstyle, we want to make a deep side parting and leave a section of the hair on one side of your parting like I'm showing, and with the rest you want to make a low ponytail. On last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through and then you want to pull it a little more to create some volume and texture. Then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it around your elastic, tying it into the elastic underneath like I'm showing. If your hair is not that long, make sure to leave the ends underneath, but if it's longer, make sure to wrap several times around your elastic. Now you want to pull a little more your bun and pin it from the side. Make sure to use enough bobby pins if your hair doesn't stay in place, okay? Then grabbing your front section, you want to simply twist it little by little like I'm showing, pull it a bit and then tie the ends with a clear elastic. Then you want to hide this elastic and the ends into our bun like I'm showing, and don't forget to pin it in place. Guys, at this point I'll suggest you to use some bobby pins to fix in place your twist and don't open them, okay? Like I'm showing, you just pin it the way I'm showing. Now you want to pull it a little bit to make it beautiful looking. Use some hairspray if needed and you're done. For the next one, we want to leave our front sections away for later, and then grabbing the rest of your hair, you want to make a ponytail. Pull your hair again halfway through, wrap remaining ends around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath. And like I said, if your hair is longer, wrap it several times. If it's shorter, leave it as it is. Now, you want to grab your front section and make an opening into your kind of crown section and bring this section through it and leave it like it is, and then grab your second section and hide it through your first front section Now grabbing the ends, you want to tie them both together underneath, and if you want to secure it, you can tuck it into the first elastic. Now you want to spread a little bit your bun, pin it in place so it will be secure. Pull it a little bit your crown and make your bun beautiful looking. Use some hairspray if needed, and yes, you're ready to go.
This was our hair tutorial for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget please about thumbs up, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel, click that bell notification button, of course, to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial, so you'll have beautiful hair every day. So guys, subscribe here. If you didn't see my previous hair tutorials, make sure to click it here or here, which one you like. And subscribe. I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!